Hey, if you miss Shanty Days, don't you worry. Frank's is coming down to Novi for the Ultimate Fishing Show, and we're pretty much bringing Shanty Days with us. We're going to have 12,000 square feet of a Shanty Village, bringing it down to you, down in Novi, January 9th through the 12th. You're going to love this setup. Eskimo's going to be there, Otter's going to be there, Fravel's going to be there, Clam's going to be there, Striker's going to be there, every auger company, you name it. We're going to be there for you. If you missed out on Shanty Days, don't you worry. We're going to have everything you need. First 50 to the booth again this year. It's a free Frank's bucket, awesome little handle on the bottom. Don't miss out on that. First 50 to the booth every day, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 9th through the 12th of January. Also, we're giving away tickets right here at the store. Come out to customer service. You need one per customer. You need to write your name down. Then you'll get a chance to spin the wheel to win up to a $100 gift card for Frank's Great Outdoors. Use it at the show. Everything that you've seen in the store at Frank's, we got some special deals going on. Factory reps, you name it. Brian Brosdahl, as you know him as Bro, will be there doing some seminars. Brad Hawthorne Charters will be there representing Otter and Rapala. All kinds of great things happening at Novi this year. Don't miss it, January 9th through the 12th. Check us out on Facebook. We'll have more posts with that show coming up. Don't miss out. Shanty Days in Novi, Ultimate Fishing Show, January 9th through the 12th. We'll see you there.